Hi students, in this video we are going to learn exercise number 2.3, question number 5. Shaili plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. The distance between two adjacent saplings, adjacent means next saplings, is 3 by 4 meter. Find the distance between first and the last sapling. Suppose in her garden, in a row, she is planting 4 saplings. So the first plant, the second plant, third plant and the fourth plant. So in between two adjacent plants, she is leaving 3 by 4 meter distance, and for this also again 3 by 4 meters, and for this also again 3 by 4 meters distance. Now what they are asking is, what is the distance between the first sapling and the last sapling they are asking. So the distance between first and last sapling is equal to, actually the length we have to add. Suppose 2 means 2 plus 2 plus 2, it will be 6, no? The same way the fraction also should be added. 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 we can write. So 3 times we need to add 3 by 4. So easily what we can say is, that is 3 times 3 by 4 we can write very easily. This is by 1. Now 3 3s are 9, 1 4s are, it will be 4 meters. So in between first and last sapling the distance is 9 by 4 meter. You can add directly also. Take the 4 as a common denominator. 3 plus 3 plus 3 will give you 9. That also correct only. But you have to understand, no, 3 times any number is repeated means we can go for 3 into the same number. That's why I have done in this way. We'll move on to the next problem now. Question number 6. Lipika reads a book for 1 3 by 4 hours every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read the whole book, they are asking. Every day she is reading 1 3 by 4 hours. In 6 days she has completed the book. So totally how much hours she spent for the reading, they are asking. So time spent for 1 day is equal to 1 3 by 4 hours. That is given question. 1 3 by 4 hours. This is a mixed fraction. So this is 1 3 by 4. Let us make it into improper fraction. 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 3 will be 7 by 4 hours. This is the time she spent in 1 day. So totally how many days she took to complete the book now? 6 days. So time spent for 6 days. In 6 days how many hours she has spent for the book reading, we need to find out. So time for 6 days, it will be 6 into this 7 by 4. For 1 day it is 7 by 4. For 6 days I want to find. So that will be 6 into 7 by 4. So here 6 by 1 I can write. 4 and 6 both will come in 2 tables. So I can cancel it by 2 table. This is 2 2s are 4. This is 2 3s are 6. So now I can multiple. 3 7s are 21. 1 2s are, it will be 2. So this much hour she has put the time for reading the book. Here our question is given in mixed fraction. We need to give the answer also in mixed fraction. So 21 by 2, let's make the mixed fraction now. 2 table. 1 2s are 2. Remainder that. So 21 we are dividing by 2. So 2 one time again we cannot take. So 2 10s are 20, we can write it. 21 minus 20 will give you 1. So the mixed fraction to improper, first we need to write the quotient 10, remainder 1 and the divisor 2. So 10.5 hours she spent to complete the book. That is your correct answer. Let us go to the next problem now. So here our question is, a car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance it will cover using 2 3 by 4 liters of petrol? So distance covered by 1 liter of petrol is given to us. So the distance covered with 1 liter of petrol, that is given to us that is 16 kilometer. Now our question is, in 1 liter of petrol, this much kilometer can be completed. Now we have 2 3/4 liters of petrol. So distance covered by 2 3/4 liters of petrol they are asking. So very easily we can say, for 1 liter of petrol this much, for 2 3/4 liter how much they are asking. Just multiplication. So 2 3/4 into 16 we have to do. So this is a mixed fraction to improper, we have to find. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 will be 11. 11 by 4 multiple by this 16. So here by 1 only. 4 and 16 will come in 4 tables. 4 1s are 4. 4 4s are, it will be 16. So 11 4s are, it will be 44. So we are finding distance. So that is your kilometer. So with the use of 2 3/4 liters of petrol, a car can run up to 44 kilometers is your correct answer. Let us move on to the next problem now. Here we need to fill the box here. 2/3 into what number will give you 10/30 they are asking. Very easily, just to draw the line here. Now numerator and denominator I should find out. 2 into what number will give you 10, we have to think over it. 2 5s are 10. So here you should write the 5. Here down, 3 into what number will give you 30. 3 into what number will give you 30. 3 10s are 30. So the box answer is 5/10. Simplest form of the box answer they are asking. So this box what we are getting is 5/10. So 5/10 simplest form they are asking. So 5/10 both will come in which table? 5 table. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. So the simplest form of this box is 1/2. That is your solution. Very easiest one. Let's move on to the last problem now. 3 into what number will give you 24 they are asking. You all know the 3 table. So 3 8s are 24 you will be getting. So 5 into what number will give you 75 they are asking. So 5 table, how many times 75 will come? If you know, you can write it directly. Otherwise, you just divide the 75 by 5 to find out how many times it will come. 1 5s are 5, balance 2. The next number is 5. Again 5 5s are, it will be 25. So this is your answer. 5 into 15 will give you 75. So 5 into 15 will give you 75. So 8/15 is my answer. In this box I am getting 8/15. Now for 8/15 they are asked you to write the simplest form. 8 and 15 is, it will come in any other common tables. We have to think, it will not come in any common tables. Is already in simplest form. You can write as it is 8/15. 8/15 is your final answer because it's already in simplest form. There is no common table for 8 and 15. We are writing as it is. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.